I like that train.
You get this?
Then you'll probably like the paper better than what's in it.
Well, I thought he might have fun tearing the paper, but he hasn't shown any interest at all.
He doesn't understand what you're doing.
I know.
Giddy's a year old, not 2 or 3.
Yeah!
Oh, there we
Good
go.
job.
What's that? Is that a book?
Diane demanded lots of pictures, so make sure you're taking lots. Yeah.
It's a little tiger. Roar. Roar. Now open the book. Looky, yeah. What's that? Get it?
What'd you get?
Said he liked giraffes.
Yeah, he does like giraffes. Is that adorable? Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Is that soft?
Oh.
Yeah.
Need a hug.
Yeah.
Nose to nose.
Yeah.
That's the first thing that's made him go, yeah!
When he fell down on the sidewalk.
Where's your camera, Laura?
I don't know where the charger is. I told
You
you.
haven't found it yet? That's a cute giraffe.
He had it down there at Newfield.
It's really soft.
He was putting out all these animals, and I said, "Oh, do you have a giraffe?" He did.
Let's see. Yeah! Good job! Was that fun? You get
I
another one?
got a puppy that would really help you with that.
M is for monkey. A is for acrobat. B is for ball. If he's not careful, the monkey will fall. D is for doggy. The clown squirty flower makes the dog all soggy. Yeah. 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 What's that?
I think he likes it.